Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing a very fun video today, and I am so excited to film it because honestly, it's been sitting here for like a day or two and I don't know what's inside. Obviously, if you read the title, you know, but I'm referring to the Ofra Perfecting Beauty Mystery Bag. I honestly can't wait to see what's inside and kind of break it down for you guys, let you guys know if Ofra mystery bags are worth it or not, and see what they actually send you for $35. But if you are new here, I just wanted to welcome you to my channel. If you enjoy this video, check out a couple more, subscribe. I am trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by my 1 year here on YouTube, which is coming up very, very quickly towards the beginning of next year. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media. Both my Instagram and my Twitter are linked down below. And let's go ahead and unbox this sucker. It feels like a little bit weird to be filming like this, like all done up and nice and like with a setting and everything. As you guys can see, we got the tree. We haven't decorated it yet, but if you've been following along, I've been doing Vlogmas. So I've just been doing vlogs and just like kind of like hopping on the camera, just however, and so like it felt weird to like get dressed up and actually like bring out the lights and do the whole setup, but it feels nice to do that. But speaking of Vlogmas, if you are new here, I am doing a $50 Visa card giveaway for Vlogmas. I will be announcing the winner at the end of Vlogmas, which I believe I'm gonna be filming my last Vlogmas on New Year's, so it'll be the second when I announce the winner. So there are multiple opportunities to enter that giveaway if you want to, but rules are basic. You must be subscribed to this channel, you must be following me on Instagram, and you just have to post at least one story showing that you are watching Vlogmas to your Instagram stories and tag me. You can do that though as many times as you like. You can do one for every single Vlogmas video I do, or you can just do the one. And then I do have bonus opportunities as well that I sprinkle into my other videos, such as this one. So there may be a bonus opportunity to win that Visa gift card in this video. Hint, hint. But the stipulation is that the bonus entry does not count unless you have done the initial entry, which is the Instagram story. But I'll leave all of that good stuff down below in case you are interested in that $50 Visa giveaway, along with a link to the playlist of all of my Vlogmas videos. But enough about Vlogmas. We are here about this Ofra mystery bag. So here it is. This is what the bag looks like. First off, I do have to say I was very, very relieved when I saw the color. I actually have the pink version of this, and the pink version is what they showed a picture of, and I was like, I really hope I don't get two of the same bag. But I love this charcoal. This is really, really cool. And then like this little pop of aqua or turquoise or whatever you want to call it on the zipper. But in case you are wondering what the Ofra Perfecting Beauty Mystery Bags are, these started, I believe, in February of this year. I could be wrong, but basically Ofra put together these mystery bags. These are $35 and they just put a bunch of products inside. You don't know ahead of time what you're gonna get. It's like a little grab bag of a bunch of different products from them. And apparently these are supposed to be worth $100. They will be filled with 5 or more full-sized or mini makeup products in here. So that's pretty cool. At 35 bucks, you get about $100 value supposedly from this. So I thought that that was a pretty cool thing. I know that like Jeffree Star is doing these mystery bags, or I think he does mystery boxes. I heard that Manny's doing it with Lunar Beauty. So I think that it's actually a pretty cool concept that these makeup brands are doing it. But I was really excited when I saw Ofra's. I've tried quite a few Ofra products and I've honestly never been that disappointed. So I thought, hey, why not try this out, see what I get, and more than likely I'm gonna love what's inside here. But just a disclaimer for you guys, these are no longer available. I believe that they do these like once every few months, so this one was for the holiday season, so I'm hoping that's a really good one in here. But just keep an eye out for the next time that they do it. My guess is that they're gonna do another one this February since there was one last February, so keep an eye out around then if you guys are interested in getting one of these on the next round. But let's go ahead and jump into it and see what they put inside. It feels like it's pretty full. There's definitely quite a good amount of stuff in here. I mean, it's makeup. It's not like it's gonna be crazy huge, but let's go ahead and peek in. Ooh, all of these look full size. Stop, hold on. Okay, so let's see here. The first thing that I'm pulling out here, okay, this one looks like this is gonna be a mini size, but this, oh God, sorry, it's so bright, you guys, but this is their makeup fixer. So this is a light, refreshing mist that keeps makeup in place all day long. Okay, so this is like a little setting spray for them. I like the pink, I think that that's really cool. But cute. I am actually traveling this year. I know that those of you who've been following along are probably sick of hearing it, but this is like absolutely perfect because I will definitely need some travel size makeup to come with me, and perfect. Okay, it's 2 fluid ounces, so it is travel size, so you can take this on a plane. Okay, let's see what else is in here. looks like. Okay, so this one, ooh, this is a highlighter. I was really, really hoping that I was gonna get a highlighter. I am so excited about this. Okay, hello. Man, they really packaged this up, which I appreciate. Okay, wow, this is a really, really bright, stunning highlighter. That looks so pretty. Okay, so this one is in the color Star Island, and there is what it looks like in the pan, just very classic Ofra. And then let's go ahead and swatch this. Wow, this is super bright. Ooh, look at that. Oh, wow. That is so bright, my lights can't handle it. Wow, that is like an icy, frosty white highlight. Now I am tanner, so this isn't exactly one that I could just like throw on a face, like especially like a natural makeup face, but this one would be great for me when like I highlight, but I want like the very, very tops of my cheekbones to pop. This one would definitely be a great one for that. It would be a good highlight for my highlight, which is a technique that I like to do a lot. I just realized, let's go ahead and like add up. So the mini makeup fixer is $8. And then the Star Island is like the same as their regular highlighters at $29. So these two together are already worth the value of what I paid. So anything from here on out is added value to the $35 I originally paid. Okay, then next in this bag, ooh, we have a blush. So this one, it looks like it's a collab with Madison Miller. I'm not sure who she is, so I apologize about that, but this color looks really, really pretty. So here it is. It's kind of like a peachy tone blush, which I really love. I love peach tones, but wow, that is a really, really pretty shade. So let me swatch it and kind of see. Ooh, that was really smooth. I do like Ofra's blushes, I have a feel, but there is the color, if you guys can see it. Again, sorry about my lights, but it's right there. It's a very, very pretty pink. Not necessarily something that I would reach for in the winter time, but this would be a stunning like spring and summer shade. So I'll definitely be pulling this out in those seasons. And this blush that they did with Madison Miller was $29. Okay, so up next in this bag, ooh, oh, I got another highlighter. Yes, I'm gonna be beaming. So this one is their retrograde highlighter, and it looks like it's a split tone highlighter. Ooh, I really, really like this packaging. Super sleek, but I feel like I'm gonna get it so dirty. Oh, wow. That's super pretty. So it's like a purple and creamy white color. So let me go ahead and swirl them together. Ooh, that's really pretty. That's a really, really pretty highlight. So put it right next to the other highlight so we can see the difference. Wow. That's super pretty. I love that one. I've never considered a purple highlight before, but I totally would do it. This is so pretty. I love that. That's super gorgeous. And I like the fact, wow, I'm already getting this dirty, but I like the fact that this one comes with a mirror inside. I always love it when packaging comes with a mirror. You can never have too many mirrors. Okay, and then the retrograde highlighter is $29 as well. And then lastly in here, we have two liquid lipsticks, and they are actually both full size. I am shocked. I expected to get like a mini liquid lip and a full-size liquid lip. I did not expect to get two full-size liquid lipsticks, especially considering the fact that everything else in this bag, with the exception of the makeup fixer spray, was a full size. So honestly, this bag is like seriously killing it. But the two colors that they sent me are Ruby and Vermilion. Ooh, yes. I have actually been wanting Vermilion. I mean, this alone definitely made it worth it for me, but we'll go ahead and swatch both of these. Again, I'm still like in shock that I got two full-size liquid lipsticks. So first off, let's go ahead and swatch Ruby. Ooh. So that's pretty. This one's perfect for the season. It's just like a really good vampy, definitely more on the purple side, but like a purpley red shade. Really, really nice. I love a vampy lip in the fall and winter time, so I am here for more vampy colors. And then Vermilion. Oh my God, that's so pretty. So this is like a bright red with a blue undertone. And honestly, I love blue undertone reds. They make your teeth look whiter. And for me, I just feel like they complement my skin tone a lot more because I am on the neutral to warmer side. And whenever I wear a very bright red, I just feel like it's screaming. So I prefer to wear a cool tone red personally to contrast my skin tone a little bit and just kind of like pull in the look. I just feel like it looks a lot more sophisticated and classy when I wear a cooler red versus when I wear a warmer red. But I know off the top of my head that Ofra liquid lipsticks are $20 a pop, so I mean that's $135 value that I just got for $35. That is absolutely insane. I am so shocked about that. That's crazy. So would I recommend these mystery bags? Abso-freaking-lutely. That is such a steal. I cannot believe I got $135 worth of product, and good product too, because like I said, Ofra always kills it, for $35. That is absolutely insane. Whenever they do another mystery bag, I'm definitely gonna be getting it because like I'm just like in shock at the deal that I just got. That is so freaking cool that they do this, and this bag is like killer. Because I did watch the unboxings from the last mystery bag that they did, and they were really, really good, but this bag is even better. Like I said, only one product was a mini. Everything else was a full size, and I'm just like, I'm so excited. I'm so floored by this. And yeah, just get your hands on these mystery bags the next time that they do them because these are absolutely worth the value. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hope you guys had fun with me discovering what I got in my Ofra mystery bag. Again, love it, love this concept. Will order another one for sure in the future. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Don't forget to enter in my Vlogmas giveaway. All of that information is linked down below along with links to my Vlogmas videos so that you can definitely enter. Subscribe if you are new here. I'd love to have you join my community on here. Follow me on social media, and happy holidays, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.